How to fix no reels on Facebook app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix no reels on Facebook app. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you do not see the reels option on Facebook, then firstly make sure you are using an updated version of the Facebook application. To confirm, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Facebook application and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the application. The next fix for this issue is go ahead and in settings itself, scroll down and find the Facebook option there and tap on it. In here, make sure that you have toggled on the buttons for all the in-app permissions, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the buttons for all the in-app permissions and your Facebook Reels should be working fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.